You've probably seen these amazing looking gallery walls in magazines but figured you had to be certified in interior decor to get one that looks half as good as this. Think again. This gallery wall looks amazing and is sure to be the perfect accent for the room you just were not sure what to do with. This idea looks super in an entryway or at the top of your stairs, but can pretty much go anywhere in the house. Pallet signs, quotes, old antique looking items all come together to make a charming vintage statement for your walls. Get ready to cop some great farmhouse wall decor ideas. Ingenious lighting solutions? Check. Elegant architectural salvage projects? Check. New rustic sign designs and unexpected ways to use mason jars? Check and check. Whether you're looking to add a single piece to an existing interior or want to make over an entire wall, the following list is sure to have a stylish suggestion.